Hey everybody, I'm Mike. We're going to do some at-home science today, and I'm waiting for my other scientist. I don't know where she is. Maybe she'll...
Hi!
Virginia! Oh good. Thank you for joining me.
Anna's with. She's just going to watch right here.
Okay, so let's put Anna down. Okay.
Got it.
We've got yellow and blue liquid.
But where are the drinks?
Oh, I don't know. We're not going to drink these. We don't drink science. Here.
No! Where are the drinks? You were going to stack them.
We'll do those next.
Okay,
All right,
got
so
it.
here we go. What you're going to do is you're going to pour this yellow one into this blue one. What do you think you're going to see?
Green.
Let's see. Go ahead and pour it in. Let's see if you're right. Oh, we get a liquid that looks green. Yellow and blue together, they make green. So this is not a surprise. We knew this would happen, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I can think of some other ways that we can mix these liquids. You want to try?
Yeah.
All right, we'll try.
I'm waiting. Anna's waiting.
So all we need for this is we need 2 bottles that are the same, so they should have the same sort of opening at the top. You're going to want 2 different kinds of food coloring, colors that are different. So I'm using yellow and blue because if they combine, they'll make green. And then I'm going to use sort of a plate to do this in, or a dish, just in case I make a mess, and that's pretty likely. Then we use that. And then just like some kind of card, or like a plastic card. I'm using this kind of plastic card to separate these 2 bottles. So that's all you need, things you should have lying around. So let's see how we do this. For this experiment to work, we need one of those water bottles to be hot. So this is a plastic bottle. I put it in the microwave for 1 minute, and what that'll do is that'll just increase the temperature of the water so that one of them is hot.
Hey guys.
All right, we're back. So this one is warm. We're going to put some blue food coloring in this one.
Blue food coloring.
And this one over here is room temperature, cool. 77 degrees. You had to get a blanket, didn't you?
Yep.
Okay, so we have the 2 different colors, and now they're in 2 different bottles. And we want these bottles to be as full as we can. So we're gonna just make sure that there's like kind of full to the brim, almost overfilling. This one's good too. Okay, and we'll put the cap.
Actually, I think that one's gonna be dark.
You think so? Okay. You know what's neat? This one is warm, but that blue food coloring is not spurting out all that much.
Yeah. Oops.
Okay.
Yellow food coloring.
All right, so we're gonna tip this one upside down a little bit to get the mix going on. So now it's all blue. And we're going to tilt this one upside down like this, and we're going to make it so that it's all yellow.
Yeah.
Now we have this dish here, just in case we make a mistake. Okay?
Yes, we got this orange big dish.
Yeah, so I'm going to put the blue one here first and take the cap off.
Yeah.
I'm going to take the cap off the yellow one. And then I've got this little playing card here. All that does is I'm going to put the playing card on top and turn this upside down so that nothing comes out. And
Did you see those bubbles?
Yeah. I put it on top, so now that the mouths of these things are lined up. And I'm just going to pull the card out. And hopefully, don't spill anything. Look at that, no spills. Okay,
No
so
spills?
I'm mixing the yellow and the blue, but not the same way that we did before, right? Now don't.
Yeah, but there's a little green right there.
Yeah, there's a little green right here, so we can see that this is warm and it's rising, and this is cool. So this is, rising into the cool area, and we can see this kind of turning green.
Warming.
Yeah. So is the warm one on top or on bottom?
Bottom.
It's on bottom.
Hot,
So,
hot, hot.
yeah. So what we'll do is we'll do this experiment again in a second and show what it looks like if the warm one's on top. But and we'll show those side to side so you can get a really good
What
glimpse.
about we flip it over?
So try this on your own at home. Try different colors and see if you can make some different things mix and match. And if you like to do time-lapse stuff, that's cool too. Should be a lot of fun. Did you have fun, Anna?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Bye-bye.